Hello and welcome aboard the Pescatarian, our 29-foot ocean runner. Today I want to show you a really cool feature that you can enable for your Garmin Autopilot. This feature, when enabled, will prompt you to engage the autopilot when you select to navigate to a destination, a waypoint, or you start auto guidance navigation. Once you press enable on your screen, the autopilot will take over and steer your boat. If you already have this enabled on your Garmin GPS and you want to remove it, you're going to follow the same steps that we show you now, but instead of clicking yes, you're going to click no. Now let's jump right in and show you how to enable this feature in your settings. All right guys, so now we are on our chart here on our screen, and all you want to do is you're going to want to press home. Now if you have the new update, you're just going to press the settings icon. We've got the old update, we haven't installed that one yet, so we've got to take an extra step, so we're going to press home. Then you want to press settings, and I'll go slow here so you guys can write this down if you want to go ahead and choose to. Then we're going to press system. Then we're going to click on station information, and you see the options that come up. You're going to go to autopilot enabled, and you're going to select yes. Now, if you already have this on and want to turn it off, at that point you'll go ahead and hit no. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and hit back. And now we're going to click on the navigation chart, and I'm going to show you what will pop up on your screen when you select to navigate somewhere. So we're just going to click right here on our screen. We're going to press go to, and now the prompt will come up asking us if we want to engage the autopilot. And like I mentioned earlier, if you press engage, the autopilot will automatically begin to steer the boat to the desired or selected location. All right, now you know how to turn this feature on your Garmin GPS. So that was really simple. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lift up the anchor. We're sitting here on anchor, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works live on the boat, navigating to a spot. All right guys, so now we've pulled up the anchor, and we're showing you here a live view here of our chart, and we're going to go ahead and just select to go right here. We're going to press go to. I'm going to go ahead and bring the boat up, and we're going to press engage, and now you will see how the autopilot starts to steer the boat directly to where we want to go. And if we want to change it now so you can see the boat turning, I'll go ahead and select right here next to us. I'll hit go to, and you see how the autopilot now is beginning to turn the boat and head in the direction of the new waypoint that we selected to navigate to. All right, now you know how to enable this feature in your Garmin GPS unit, and you saw it live in action. If you want to learn more helpful Garmin Marine tips, check out our Garmin Marine electronics playlist. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there.